Hello, in front of me I've got Sony Xperia 1 Mark III. In this video I'll show you all unlock methods. Firstly, let's open settings and go to security. Now tap on screen lock. As you can see, there are 5 types of screen locks: none, swipe, pattern, pin and password. Let's skip none and swipe because they are no security, and let's go to pattern. Set your pattern, confirm it and use it to unlock the phone. Then let's go to pin. Pin has to contain at least 4 digits. And now let's use password. Okay. Now let's select pattern again. And let's proceed to Fingerprint Manager. Our sensor is right here. It's done. Let's use it to unlock the phone. Great. And that's all. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.